Evoke established an independent and agile ERP environment for a leading manufacturer.
In manufacturing, continuous workflow is critical to maintaining business continuity. However, ensuring seamless operations during digital transformation is challenging. A US-based manufacturer partnered with Evoke to successfully transition from its parent company and establish itself as an independent entity. During the transition, the manufacturer faced the challenge of separating its ERP systems from the parent company. This caused delays in migrating millions of financial records, created restrictions in multi-region rollouts, and led to significant backlog issues across North America. Evoke assessed the situation and developed a comprehensive Oracle-powered solution that completed the full ERP transition within 2 quarters, deployed pending backlog projects for North America, executed country-specific rollouts, streamlined workflows through ERP enhancements. With Evoke, the company successfully established an independent and agile ERP environment globally. It stabilized back-office operations, quickly built an independent IT service desk management system, migrated more than 1 million order lines seamlessly, and enabled continuous long-term enhancements.
See how ERP migration helped a leading manufacturer boost workflow efficiency across its business.